जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया तब बीइंग इन सूरत ये चीज काफी नई थी. लाइक बीइंग ऑन सोशल मीडिया, हैविंग अ पब्लिक प्रोफाइल वाज लाइक, मतलब लाइक आई हैव आल्सो हर्ड पीपल सेइंग लाइक तू बॉस है क्या, टोपी है क्या तू शू. एंड सोशल मीडिया की वजह से ये सब बाहर आ रहा है अभी, बिकॉज द यूज हैज इंक्रीज. नॉट ओनली पीपल लाइक अस यंगस्टर्स बट even elder people are using social media, even if it's Facebook, but they are. आप गिरोगे तो ही आप रियलाइज करोगे कि आप उठ सकते हो, बेटर कर सकते हो. सो लेट योर किड्स फेल, आई वुड से.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, a channel where we have most value-adding conversations with our guests on the channel. आज के ज़माने में in the corona times where social media has grown so much, the business with it has also grown. Today with us we have a social media content creator. She has been working with social media since a long time. We'll hear about it from herself. Welcome Medhavi.
Thank you for having me.
So my very first and obvious question is that how did you start all this and when did you start?
So it's a long journey and it's a very confusing journey. So first of all, I am a science geek. मुझे बहुत पसंद है पढ़ाई. So it started with 11th 12th. I went into food science and nutrition. Then I realized I want to do something which involves people viewing me, like for example performing, basically entertainment industry. So I think I was not really allowed to go out back then because I was a kid and there was not much to do in my city back then. So I was like, let's explore social media. So I started off with social media and really enjoyed it. Like I started posting singing covers. I started TikTok back then, almost 3 years back. और बहुत मजा आया वो सब करने में.
But it was Musical.ly back then.
Yeah, it was Musical.ly. So Musical.ly now TikTok. But वो करने में बहुत मजा आया था. और मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि रिस्पॉन्स बहुत ज्यादा मिला ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल एज ऑन Musical.ly. एंड देन थ्रू दीज एप्स आई फाउंड पीपल फ्रॉम सूरत डूइंग द सेम थिंग्स एज व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग. सो वो बहुत एक अच्छी चीज थी. और फिर इट्स जस्ट केप्ट ऑन गोइंग. फिर बैलेंस किया स्टडीज के साथ ये सब. एंड देन आई क्वाइट नाउ फील दैट दिस इज माई थिंग एंड I want to explore more in this field.
No, but tell us what you exactly do. What all you do on social media?
So, I do a lot of things. Like, to be honest, I have tried a lot of things in this past 3 years. See, I started with singing. मैंने singing किया है. Singing में first I used to sing Gujarati. Then मैंने हिंदी किया है. Right now I sing mostly English. And then with time I realized what works and what not. See, it's like आप कोई भी career ले रहे हो, आप किसी भी career में एक बार जाते हो, you will be clueless as of what you want to do. But then धीरे धीरे you will get the idea कि this is what people are liking more, this is what I am good at, this is what I should do more.
Right.
It's just the time period of figuring things out. How do you do it? It's really important.
Minavi, you started actually way back.
Yeah.
Up to it is a trend now. Being on social media or doing something on social media is now it's a trend.
Yeah.
But you started way back when it was not a thing.
Yeah.
And so लोगों ने आके आपको ये नहीं पूछा ये क्यों करना है? Why the hell are you doing this?
See, जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया तब बीइंग इन सूरत ये चीज काफी नई थी. Like being on social media, having a public profile was like, मतलब like I have also heard people saying like तू बॉस है क्या, टोपी है क्या तू शू, in Gujarati people. So I was like, I was not really thinking a lot at that time. I was like, let's just concentrate on what I like doing. And it was not at all in my mind that I want to make a career out of this. I was just doing it for fun.
Yeah.
But it just came out, it just automatically came out. And about the like people talking about it, I think my family and relatives were very supportive of me doing this because my family is already in this field. My mother is into acting, dancing. My sister is a choreographer.
Yeah.
My father is a composer, music composer. So I was always encouraged of doing it. But when it came to friends, I had the geek friends. Like I was all about studying back then. So they were not really accepting of me. And मतलब काफी हद तक बुरा बोला है, बुली भी किया है कि मतलब सोशल मीडिया कौन करता है, पढ़ाई पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो. एंड इवन देयर पेरेंट्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स के पेरेंट्स मुझे बोलते थे कि डोंट डू दिस थिंग्स बेटा, यू नो इट्स बेटर टू स्टडी. सो मैंने पढ़ाई बंद भी की थी. It was all together. Yeah, it was all about balancing. But then I was like, okay, let's not answer them right now. Let my work answer first.
But I'm sure you have heard worse.
Yeah, definitely. It's like to be honest, it's not worth mentioning or even thinking about it. Because there are going to be lots of people, anything you do in life, not only social media, entertainment, field, anything.
Do you think people look down to social media career even today?
I think they do because we live in a country where education is given more importance. I'm not at all saying education is not important, but if someone wants to be into such fields, then they should be given enough encouragement that they are able to do and flourish doing that. Let it be anything, whether it's music, fashion, dancing, anything.
Right.
They should be encouraged because it's like if a person has a talent or capability of doing something and उसको कुछ और करवाया जा रहा है
Right.
मार के तो वो नहीं कर पाएगा. That person will fail. It's better उसको जो करना है वो करने दो. Maybe उसमें number 1 हो जाए in his
Right.
area. Yeah.
True. So my next question to you is, no, social media is all about glamour. At least it looks all glamorous, and we see everything good about it. Tell us about the bad sides of social media, or what goes behind all this.
Okay, so the whole entertainment industry is of course very very glamorous. So
Yeah.
like it really defines like the profiles which you have, not only the profiles of social media. Your work profile really defines who you
Right.
are, but you have to build it. आपको एक लेवल पे रीच करना होता है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट फॉर मी इट्स लाइक कोई एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल नहीं है कि मुझे वहां पे ही रीच करना है. आई ऑलवेज वांट टू कीप ऑन ग्रोइंग. So, but वहाँ पे reach करने के लिए you need a lot of मेहनत, you need a lot of consistency and strong willpower is a really 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 big thing. क्योंकि आप समझो when you are on social media there are lot of people on social media doing quite good, some doing quite bad. So आप comparison करोगे. Comparison करने से बहुत सारी चीजें आती है. I feel people on social media face a lot of mental issues as well, like stress, anxiety,
Right.
comparison. There are a lot of things, and I have done that. I have been off for social media for like 6 months, sometimes 8 months. I have done that, and
Right.
I have worked on myself during that time, so it has been really helpful.
But also, अभी mental health तो बहुत promote हो रही है on social media.
Uh-huh.
But do you think that actually mental health is deteriorating because of social media?
I think mental health का issue has always been there. I am not talking about just one country, but it has always been an issue among youngsters, teenagers particularly. एंड सोशल मीडिया के वजह से ये सब बाहर आ रहा है अभी बिकॉज द यूज हैज इंक्रीज. नॉट ओनली पीपल लाइक अस यंगस्टर्स बट इवन एल्डर पीपल आर यूजिंग सोशल मीडिया इवन इफ इट्स फेसबुक बट दे आर. सो ये सब चीजें लोग बात कर रहे थे, नॉट अ टैबू एनीमोर. सो आई थिंक ये सोशल मीडिया की वजह से हुआ है, बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा है ये चीज कि people are actually talking about such.
But also people are now facing body image issues and
Yeah.
all because of social media. क्योंकि आज इतना कुछ बाहर है, everybody is on social media, everybody is posting something or the other,
Yeah.
looking at their best, maybe fake, we don't know.
Yeah.
But do you think that it has also put in mental health issues?
Yeah, see, it's like बाहर से सब glamour. It comes down to glamour. Everybody loves glamour.
Yeah.
Glamour. Who doesn't? That life seems very fun and to be very fantastic. That life seems like ये मेरी dream world है, ideal life है. Yeah, but that's not really a dream world. Yes, if you it's about the process. Any field, it's about the process. Like आप enjoy कर रहे हो वो करना. या अगर आप देख रहे हो कि मुझे यहाँ पे रीच करना है, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ वहां पे रीच करने के लिए, मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, तो वो गलत है. Don't think about where you want to end up. Rather concentrate on what you are going through and how you are growing. If you understand the process, like while going through the process, you are cleansing off yourself from the bad parts of you and you are improving.
Yeah.
So अगर आपको वो चीज में मजा आ रहा है तो आप ये चीज कर सकते हो. वरना any field thinking about just भाई I want to be successful is not going to give you success at all.
Have you faced some issues, mental health issues, or body issues?
I have definitely faced. I wouldn't say a lot, but see, of course, I was also attracted to the glamour life. आपके ऐसे भी दिन आते हैं जब थोड़ी चीजें अच्छी होती है, थोड़ी चीजें नहीं अच्छी होती है. That time what you do is I beat myself up that क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, and I've done that for like more than 2 years. But
Right.
lately, and I think very recently, maybe a month back, I've realized that it's not about what are the good days and what are the bad days. It's about आज का दिन है आपके पास, आपने कितना किया है, आपने कितना कल से ज्यादा ग्रो किया है. It's like baby step, but at least you are taking those steps. That is important.
Do you face hate on TikTok or on Instagram or anyways?
There was a moment जब मैंने TikTok, Insta पे पोस्ट करना बंद कर दिया था, तब 50-50 टाइप के लोग थे मेरे प्रोफाइल पे. Some were like, दीदी you are doing, I have literally had this DMs, दीदी you are doing TikTok, therefore I am unfollowing you. और and बीच में मेरे को इतना ज्यादा हो गया कि should I post it, because one main factor was peer pressure because of friends.
Right.
Because all friends were like, तू TikTok करती है, कैसा होगा? See, I think this hype is in India कि भाई TikTok is bad. Outside, I don't think I have a friend. You must know Heer Nayak.
Yeah.
She lives outside. She lives outside. I don't think बाहर इतना hate है where TikTok, like the TikTok world revolves.
In India.
It's much in India, but okay. So I used to do it, and then I was like, let's stop for a bit. TikTok अभी नहीं post करते Instagram
Because of the hate that you
face. Yeah. Not only hate is like तब तो मैं इतने level पे नहीं थी, but peer pressure, as I said, friends बहुत बोलते थे कि भाई तू करती है, and they used to judge me. It's like मुंह पे directly कोई नहीं बोलता है, but indirectly taunt मारते हैं, वो memes बेचते हैं. Then I had a hate page on Instagram.
Because you were doing TikTok.
Yeah, and that guy or girl, I don't know, I tried asking him कौन हो आप, मुझे मुंह तो बोलो कौन हो, मुंह दिखाओ आपका, मतलब नाम बोलो अपना. I was not saying, I highly think it was one of my friends who didn't like me, but I thought they liked me, they were my friend. But मतलब उस पेज पे लिटरली इट वाज अ पब्लिक पेज, और मेरे अगलीस्ट फोटोज थे उस पेज पे, लिटरली वीडियोस के स्क्रीनशॉट लगा के उस पेज पे डाले थे. बट I took it very positively, and to be honest, I actually promoted that page.
Did you?
The guy or the girl felt so bad that he had to take that page down because he felt embarrassed by के
Right.
I'm not like, it's like आप hate को करने दोगे, खुद पे असर करने दोगे तो it's going to be bad. Rather
You did not let it assur you.
yeah.
It went on.
Yeah.
It did not affect you in any way.
It did in a way, but I prep talk, self talk, and then I'm good to go.
Right.
Yeah.
That's what is needed.
Yeah. It's always needed. It is needed when you are on a public platform. When you are in the public eyes, you have to be on your A1 game.
Yeah. But has the ban affected you? You think your audience, you lose your audience?
Yeah. Losing audience is a thing. Of course, you can shift the audience to other, social media. But it's like, it's like. It's for instance, we are talking about TikTok. अब Instagram की बात करें तो you never know कब क्या हो, वहाँ पे भी audience lose कर ही सकते हैं आप. So it's all about content you create. अगर आपका content सही है तो आप कोई भी ऐप पे कर सकते हो, मजे कर सकते हो कोई भी ऐप पे. तो हमारा content बहुत important है. And second thing is the niche which you have selected. You also have to cultivate that niche in real world, not only just on social media.
Right.
Like for instance, if you are into fashion, or maybe into lifestyle, so not just use it on social media but connect your social media world to the real life also. You get opportunities in both the sides, both the worlds. Just like music, if you're doing it YouTube, if you're YouTube cover singer, so do live shows, connect with bands, so everything should be a balance.
One thing is not only the platform, there are so many other platforms that should have been done. Right. Now also, do you think social media is fake? I mean, there are so many people that face issues because of social media, but do you think that it is fake, that people are showing off something that they don't actually have?
See, I would call it fake entirely. I would call it masking maybe, or just portraying their good sides. मतलब it's like आप Facebook यूज कर रहे हो, आप Facebook पे अपने साथ कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है वो ही कर रहे हो, like I'm feeling happy, I'm traveling, or I'm eating dinner with my family at this restaurant.
Right.
You don't really show I'm crying. Even for a general public who is not a social media influencer, they don't really show that they are sad.
Right.
So social media is used in this way. And when ये public figures जो आते हैं वो भी अपनी life की बुरी चीजें कम post करेंगे और अच्छी चीजें ही करेंगे. So उन्हें kind of maybe वो दिखता है कि they are faking it, but it's not like, it's just one part of their life. Of course, they are just human beings living just like us. Even for celebrities, like Bollywood celebrities.
how do you stay consistent? Because social media is something that you have to do continuously.
Yeah.
You cannot take a break. That's why you lose the audience.
Yeah.
So how do you stay consistent?
See, I told you about my break, right? I took a 6 months break once. I
Right.
took a 8 months break once. तो ये जब मैंने break लिया, मेरी DMs full थी कि दीदी आप कहाँ पर हो? और people started unfollowing.
Of course.
मतलब इतना audience reach किया, बाद में धड़ाम से नीचे. So consistency is the key.
Yeah.
सोशल मीडिया पे इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी कंसिस्टेंट, क्योंकि लोग भूल जाते हैं, इतनी कंपटीशन है, तुम्हें ऐसे रहना है, यू नो.
Of course.
अनलेस अनटिल यू रीच दैट लेवल, वो पीक हो जाते हैं, बाद में यू कैन बी अ बिट यू नो लेस कंसिस्टेंट, बट एटलीस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग टाइम पे आपको स्ट्रगल करना है पूरा.
Consistent रहना पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल. और उसके लिए यू नीड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग विलिंग माइंडसेट एंड यू नो दैट पैशन दैट आई वांट टू डू इट, रादर doing it for you know to gain likes and views. Do it for the people who follow you or like your content, and yourself, very importantly. I do a lot of things for myself. I don't care if people like it or not.
So are you in a good mental health space right now?
I'm in an amazing space. Like quarantine has taught me so many things. Like being alone with yourself has been an amazing time for me.
Right.
I have realized a lot of things, and I think I have started loving more of what I'm doing right now. So
Right.
kind of I'm doing a lot of things. I'm doing singing, I'm doing you know modeling, fashion, lifestyle. I'm also
Right.
doing I'm also actually teaching some production works, learning some production
Right,
works, and now acting as well.
Right. So I'm really good.
Yeah, so
mental health space.
the entertainment field, I'm exploring every part of it, and I'm
Right.
quite enjoying.
Really nice. You know, still अभी भी even after all this happening, इतना social media hype हुआ है. Then also there are people who look to it like really down.
Yeah.
उसको नीचा देखते हैं. As a
Yeah,
career
yeah.
उन्हें नीचा देखते हैं. So I've had so many friends who want to pursue social media, but their parents don't let them do it
Yeah.
because they think no, it's not a career option. What do you have to say about it?
I think मैंने ये चीज़ कभी फेस नहीं किया है, क्योंकि मेरे घर से एक बार भी मुझे नहीं पूछा है मम्मी या पापा ने या किसी रिलेटिव्स ने भी इनफैक्ट के क्या करोगी आगे जाके, बड़ी होके कैसे पैसे कमाओगी. इट हैज़ नेवर बीन लाइक दिस, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग. मुझे कभी नहीं पूछा. आई वॉज ऑलवेज फ्री. आई हैड सो मेनी ऑप्शंस टू सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम. आई हैव डन लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स इन लाइफ विच गेव मी अ बिग क्लैरिटी ऑफ वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम एंड वॉन्ट टू बी. सो पेरेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल निभाते हैं आपके करियर सेट करने में. लाइक आई हैव ऑल्सो सीन पेरेंट्स आर लाइक दैट गाय वांट्स टू डू कॉमर्स. आई हैव अ फ्रेंड हु एक्चुअली वांटेड टू डू कॉमर्स. ही वाज वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट इट. आई एम लाइक आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी फॉर हिम, बट देन हिज पेरेंट्स वर
No.
तुझे साइंस ही करना है. दैट गाय डिड साइंस, ही फेल्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर एंड देन ही शिफ्टेड टू कॉमर्स. सो आई हैड सच पीपल एज वेल. और सोशल मीडिया की बात करें तो आई थिंक to bring a change, change takes time.
Of course.
So the type of thinking that our elders have is gonna take time to change. But I feel अब जो next generation होगी, like us becoming parents, will be more free towards our kids. मतलब उनको जो भी करियर सिलेक्ट करनी है वो कर सकते हैं. इस तरह के अपने पेरेंट्स हमारे अपने लिए बहुत you know they are very concerned.
Of course.
The kid should not fail and all, but I think it's very important कि kid fails. Like आप गिरोगे तो ही आप रियलाइज करोगे कि आप उठ सकते हो, बेटर कर सकते हो. So let your kids fail, I would say, really.
And my last question to you is, what are those top 3 lessons, you know, that you have learned through your social media career? Of course, we study, we go to college, and we learn things. But specifically, your social media career, what has it taught you?
I think social media enabled me to get into and know what work feels like, the pressure of work feels like at a very young age. Like at around 19 or 20 मुझे समझ में आ गया था how kind of people are, how things work.
Nice.
So I got a very good idea of that, and I was prepared to face it very nicely. So I'm very thankful about it. That is the first thing. Second is social media has its negative sides and its good sides as well. Negative side being for me was comparison. मैंने खुद को लोगों के साथ, मैं खुल के बोलती हूँ ये चीज़, मैंने बहुत कंपेयर किया
Of course.
और कंपेयर कर करके मैंने खुद को इतना क्रिटिसाइज किया है कि आई हैव बीन टू अ स्टेज वेयर आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग. बस like I was साइड पे बैठे रहो,
We feel
सोचना
worthless.
नहीं है. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very bad. I won't say depression, but almost next to depression. It's very bad. But I have learned with time, and I've read a lot of books. I've listened to a lot of podcasts, videos, and I have learned with time that comparison तुम किसी भी फील्ड में करोगे तुम्हें कहीं नहीं ले जाएगा. You have to come out of it. You have to know how to deal with it.
Of course.
If you don't do it, you are literally gone.
True.
आपका career is finished है compare करोगे तो. And third thing which is very important to me and I have learned is it's a game. Like social media or even any field if I talk about is a game. Like आप गेम में आगे नहीं रहोगे तो आप नीचे गिर जाओगे.
Right.
So you always have to be prepared. You always have to be consistent, strong. और इवन इफ आप एक बार नीचे आ जाओ आप में वो कैपेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए आगे बढ़ने की फिर से. इट्स लाइक दैट बाजीगर डायलॉग. वाओ आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. इट्स ओके. जीत हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. दैट प्लेज अ बिग रोल इन माय माइंड हेड एवरी टाइम.
But how do you deal with failures actually? Failures of course come your way.
I cry it out. I talk to my friends. I talk to everyone I meet. I let it out. I am very good with. I'm very talkative. I like talking a lot and I like expressing a lot. So I talk it out. It feels so light. It feels extremely light. And then you just sit calmly, sit and do some meditation and boom, you're
Start
good to go.
working.
You're good to go.
Start
Yes.
working. Right.
I don't let one thing ruin my entire day. I give it like I literally give myself a pep talk like 1 घंटा तुम्हें खराब लगाना इसके लिए because you're a human being at the end of the day. You cannot be smiling all the time. So like 1 घंटा तुम्हें खराब लगाना है बस good to go. 1 hour हो गया back to being happy self. That is what I literally do. Max.
So it was really fun talking to you.
It
We
was.
had a really good time. Thank you so much for being on Chai Talks.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
I hope people take something out of it. We have talked about mental health. We talked
Yeah.
about social media. I think there are things that we should talk about often. And it was
Yeah.
really great to have you because you have been in this field since very long.
Yeah,
So thank you so
definitely.
much for being with us. And don't forget to subscribe, please. To subscribe to her channel, her Instagram, and link it down. And don't forget to subscribe to Chai Talks, guys. See you.